foundation. Now this time we are going to set that one.
Agis ako, sir.
Agi-agi lang guys. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So this is Jane Store and you are watching. So for today's video, we are going to create a new look since it's already November and it's going to be December next month. So it's coldy. It's gonna be like a winter feels like. So we are going to have a look that is related to winter. So that it could be like ice, something like that. So since Frozen is already released and it's now showing, so this look will be inspired of this show, which is something like Eyes. So if you want to know how I create this one, please don't skip and keep on watching so that you will be And so if you are new to this video and to my channel, please subscribe and like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I post my new video. So without so much ado, let's jump into the video. So this time, as you can see, I already done with my eyebrows and I put already my contact lens. So this time I'm going to have and apply my, what do you call this? So for my foundation, I created and I actually mixed a foundation, this one, together with this face paint, this one with the shade of blue, and then I mix it with the foundation. This one, ito yung gagamitin ko as my foundation. So it's kind of blue. So we are done with our foundation, which I mixed with the face paint in my foundation. Now this time we are going to set that one.
Agis ako, sir.
Agi-agi lang Hala, murag sayop lagi ning color, day. Muti ka, day. Now this time we are going to apply contour using this eyeshadow, which is the darker one. So we are going to start with our forehead to create a dimension. I don't know what I'm doing. Parang epic feel yung ginagawa natin ngayon ah. So ayan, hindi po natin alam kung anong nangyayari na sa atin. So we are going to do a nose line using with the same shade of blue. So para nakikita natin ang kaguluhan na nangyayari sa ating mukha. But since we are a creative one, we need to do something about this face. So ayan, nakikita mo na parang uling yung mukha natin. Now we are going to apply this shade into our eyeshadow. Naiyak ko po. Okay, so we are going to put that one into our outer corner, going to the lid. So that's it. So ayan, and then with the darker shade, we are going to create a little bit darker to intensify the outer part. Yes, so we are going to blend it in. So that's it. So we need to go outer from our comfort zone, like creating another look, so that we need to become versatile actually. So ayan. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano mangyayari dito. It's like, my gosh, what's wrong with my... So we are going to apply the same shade into our under eye like that, and we will just connect that one into our outer V to focus our eyes that it's like big and fierce. Now this time we are going to apply and create a cat crease, like a big cat crease. It depends on you on how are you going to play with the colors in your face. That's it. So if you want to play, just blend everything. Kung alam mo what do you call this? Mag-play ng feeling, so you should know as well how to play colors and blending in. Diyan tayo magaling eh. Hambola. So using with the glitter green, we are going to apply that one in the outer crease. Outer lid. Then we will blend it going inside to create a dimension from darker to light. So it's going to be like that. So at this moment, we are going also to apply in our under eye with a whiter foundation to create a dimension that will highlight this part. So we are just going to put that one, then after we are going to blend. So using this clean and clear foundation, clear foundation, we are going to apply that one into our under eye para maging matte look yung ating part dyan. So we are just going to apply that one all over our face. So using a face paint, we are going to apply and create our eyebrows in this upper part. So it's going to be like that. So ayan, we are done with our eyebrows. So we are going to apply and draw a snowflakes everywhere we can draw, anything or anywhere. So we will start here. So for our lipstick, we are going to use the same applicator using the face paint into our lips. So that will be our lipstick. So I want my lipstick to become white as well. So for our eyelashes, and the falsie, we are going off cam. So I'll be right back for the eyelashes. So yan, we are done now with our eyelashes and putting our falsie. Now this time we are going to apply now the contour. The highlighter. But wait, I'm done with painting. Hala, sayop. And now we are ready for our final look. ayan po, that is our final look. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and like, share, and of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I'll post my new videos. So, I hope mag-subscribe na po kayo because it means a lot. It means a lot to me. So, I hope you're going to subscribe now. So, it's going to be like this. So thank you for watching and see you to my next